Hey guys, and welcome back to another video of Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of some phones I picked up on eBay. Let's take a look, see what we got here. Empty there. So this was a lot of 3 if I remember right. Yeah, so good. So here we go. Got these. I think the only reason I bought this lot was for this phone right here, actually. There's a Motorola V60 on AT&T. I got so many of these V60s, it's unnecessary though. Let's see which one this is. It is the V60i. On AT&T. Probably going to be dead. Then we have a Sanyo. SCP-7050 on Sprint. Let's see, this is just a little charging port cover door. Doesn't look like it clips in place all the way. Probably dead as well. Yep. Looks to be in good shape as well. This one's in really good shape as well. And then we have a Samsung with a battery. SIM card, no SD card. It's Samsung SGH A877. It's actually got a nice looking battery in it. Lanyard strap thingy's been cut on it, but that's not a big deal. You just pull that off. Charging port door is missing. Takes a regular proprietary Samsung charger of the time, which I actually have right here, so we'll go and plug it in. There we go. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.